Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Ono the Disrupt, straight out of Ox City, Cali Wild Gang Green.
Let's go.
I don't know why. I was really high. Like, literally, I'm smoking right now, and I just started making beats because I'm high. You know, what else can I do? You know what I'm saying?
I'm tired.
Gladiator. I like Gladiator because it gets me amped up to choke someone and beat them up. Get real crazy. Fight music. I like fight music. Yeah.
The bread and the bridges broken every building.
Bob James. I love Bob James shit because this shit is so melodic. He has so many elements to it, you know what I'm saying? So I like to take a piece and then just sprinkle it throughout a beat that people wouldn't even know, you know what I'm saying? But that's a little tip.
That's what Pops quoted to me, so I took it to go.
I like Joey Badass. He's amazing. Shit's sick. I like Schoolboy Q. Shit's crazy too. Those are like the elite to me, you know what I'm saying, right now. So, yeah.
Like, if anybody got wrongs, we make that.
Bob James, Madlib, Premier. Shit, I bring in my man Can Kick, straight up.
Everywhere I go, banging. Hey, turn it up.
Nah, but we be battling in Ring King on Nintendo, and I be knocking him out. I be knocking him out the ring every time. Beat-wise, you know what I'm saying? That's hands down. That's the OG right there. You know, hands down. You know, he's the man for beats. I'm the man for games. And that's how we do it.
Lamborghini engines open up. Green arrows, my stock value is going up.
Madlib is Hollow Man. He's Hollow Man. Where's you know he's here right now. He's actually right here with it. He's here right now. You know what I'm saying? Hollow Man.
Bay the cold and stay low, my low.
I worked at this hotel. I was like the maintenance man, and I had to clean everything, like the pool, the rooms. You find mad shit. You find everything in them shit. So my parents actually had a shop right next to the hotel, so I would like clock in at the hotel and then go to my parents' shop and then like just go to sleep. A small town that lives large. A lot of farmland, a lot of gangs, a lot of music, a lot of fighting, a lot of boxers. Boxers are born in Oxnard. Beyonce and Rihanna. Put them together. No disrespect. I gotta go with Michael Jackson. You know, my name's Michael Jackson. Gotta go with Michael Jackson, man. The Goldfish Flavor Blast. Crazy shit. The big box. I tear them joints up in a couple days. Big Smoke.